Shalom, y'all. This is The Witcher. This is fair use for learning and teaching purposes. I'm gonna let this play because I want y'all to remember what the video Big Judah did about the conjunction. Listen to this. They're probably gonna block it.
Do you know who skulls these are?
Dead people?
Dead elves.
Dead Hebrews. Listen.
These elves built Arathusa.
You mean the slaves?
No, this was before humans.
Hmm.
Elves are the original sorcerers of the continent.
What?
You see, when humans and monsters all arrived after the conjunction of the spheres,
Yeah.
elven mages taught the first humans how to turn chaos into magic. And then the humans slaughtered them, so they could pretend the power had always belonged to them. Rewriting history with the stories we tell. The songs we sing about our own triumphs is what we do. But I want to honor them.
So tell me, that ain't what they did. Came here, we told them how to do everything, and they slaughtered us. And then wrote history in their own way, as if everything belonged to them. Right here in our face. Alright, y'all.